Okay. Ready? Alright, now I need you to get your computer out of your car.
Wait, what?
I need you to get your computer out of your car.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't have my computer.
It's in your car.
It's in the car?
Go get it. I want to put these on there.
Wait, my computer's in the car?
Yes.
Since when?
Huh?
Is Evan just lying to me?
About what?
About getting the computer from Dad's, which I'm pretty sure is at Dad's.
Grab my bag, please.
What are you doing? Are you videotaping me?
No? Stop.
Oh, yeah, here. That's what he meant. This is a reaction of some sort. Something good's gonna happen.
Something good's gonna happen?
Or something bad's gonna happen.
Huh?
Or something bad's gonna happen.
Are you nervous?
No.
You sure? I didn't realize this was such a long walk. And I just realized that I have this turned the wrong way.
Holy crap.
What?
As far as mine. Yeah, like it or not.
Isn't it nice that Dad did that for you? Look at, he got it all detailed and...
Thank you so much. Holy crap.
It's like, yeah, but
Oh my god.
yeah, they put a bit of work into it, so it's still kind of a hand-me-down, but it's
That's okay.
It's a pretty nice car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Michael, look.
Climb in.
I had,
No, Michael, look.
Are you surprised?
I probably should have put that lower. I probably should have put that lower. But,
Oh, it looks good.
Computer, Dad. Michael, drive us.
Show me. Show me.
What?
Show me what you got there. I can't really focus it, but... What do you think?
Nice.
Are you a little bit shocked?
Yeah.
Look at what a nice job Dad had fixing the wheels and
Drive us. Wherever on the block.
take the kids for a ride around the circle here.
Okay.
No.
kind of dirty anyway.
I told you you'd be excited.
Well, yeah, I wasn't sure. It's not perfect.
He's like... Well, that worked out good.
Yeah, that was a good idea.
He even used his turn signal. Boy, nice car for a 16-year-old kid.
Better than Daniel's.
What do you think?
I'm really shocked.
Are you shocked?
Yeah.
You look shocked.
I'm shocked.
Good shot.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell Dad again?
Thank you.
Happy birthday.